Babies, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I will be reviewing this Lull mattress, y'all, and I cannot be more excited to tell you guys about it. So I'm just unboxing the bed out of the box, and I'm showing you guys exactly what's in the box as well. You get that little card guide, whatever you want to call it, and also here's the mattress. And yes, this is the mattress. It's rolled up in this cool box, and you would never ever think a freaking mattress will be in a box. But so yeah, this box is pretty heavy. When I was trying to help Junior out, I felt like I was gonna break my arm because y'all, my little bony self could not help Junior out to save my life. When you receive the mattress, obviously it's wrapped in this plastic wrap and you have to cut it off. So Junior was cutting it off and we were unwrapping the mattress like so. Now I'm telling you guys, this was not hard at all. It was super easy, but like I said, it's pretty heavy. But overall, it's such a quick and easy mattress to deal with, you guys. So when I received my mattress, it only took about 1 to 2 days. I'm not really sure because I've had this mattress for a while now. But it didn't take that long. I kid you not, it was honestly 1 to 2 days. And I was shocked because I thought I was gonna wait for this mattress within like a week or two. But sis, after 1 to 2 days, I was like, hold on, is this the mattress? Holy crap, this took like less than even 64 hours. It's crazy. Just know if you get your hands on Lull mattress, your mattress gonna be knocking on your door in 2 days, sis, okay? So that's always a plus and convenient if you really need a mattress ASAP, you know what I'm saying? Now, setting up this mattress, you guys, was so easy. I mean, y'all, this is insane how easy it was to set up this mattress. Now, we were getting rid of that plastic wrap around that mattress. After we took that off the mattress, now the mattress actually foamed up and it got a lot bigger throughout the time we were, you know, doing our things and stuff. So if you get your hands on this mattress, you have to let it, you know, foam up on its own. But after that, it is like the best feeling ever. And you guys, look at that, like it hasn't even expanded, it's still flat. But once we took the wrap all out, it was actually foaming up and stuff. So believe it or not, this was me and Junior's first mattress together. Now you guys know me and Junior have been together for 5 years, and last year, 2018, pretty much, we moved in together. So we have moved in together and lived with each other for about 6 to 7 months now. So we got our hands on this mattress because we wanted a new mattress that is comfortable and we can sleep and snuggle together and pretty much have a mattress, you know, together. So the mattress that Junior had before was just a regular schmegler mattress, and yeah, we were just like horseplaying and just enjoying the mattress, you guys. I love this mattress so much. I mean, I can't, y'all. So if y'all looking for a new mattress, this thing feels like cloud, okay? Like it really does feel like cloud. It is so soft. You sleep all night, you don't wake up, you don't have back problems. Junior complained about back problems for the longest time, and once we got this mattress and, you know, slept on it for a while, he does not even talk about back problems like he used to. He loves this mattress a lot. We have recommended a lot of people on this mattress. My auntie actually ordered her own mattress this Christmas, so that's pretty awesome. So I'm excited about that because I'll ask her if she loves it as much as I do. But yeah, if you do get your hands on this Lull mattress, you do have 100 days free trial to test out the mattress, but I promise you guys, you would love this mattress. Y'all know I don't lie. I don't lie when it comes to things like this, okay? So yeah, y'all, and also you will get $100 off if you do want to get your hands on this mattress today. Check all the information down in the description box, you guys. So this is it for this review. As usual, I love you guys so much, and I'll sana, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!